TV anchor Jackie Maribe, who was arrested over the weekend, and I understand that she has been taken to Kiambu Law Courts. The court case is about to begin, rather it's underway, so I'd like us to cross over to Kiambu Law Courts where the court case is currently underway. Let's listen in and know what charges the prosecution is leveling against the TV anchor.
Investigations have been completed and an informed view of culpability has been taken by prosecution. The scenario we are being invited to, Your Honor, is a situation where the prosecution are placing the horse before the cart by asking you to be party to the process of investigation, and in that process to violate the rights of a party. Your Honor, we pray and plead to what is called in law the conscience of a judge, that Your Honor, you recall your duty to be an arbitrator between ourselves and the prosecution, and not to lend your hand to the prosecution, especially the hand that is being sought to violate the rights of my client. Two last things, Your Honor. If Your Honor were to be inclined to give them time, Your Honor, and we are saying it very normatively, Your Honor, if we pray that you allow them no more time than by Wednesday, Your Honor. Wednesday, the 3rd. And Your Honor, we submit that it's reasonable enough time for whatever they want to do, which clearly is not on the face of the application. Your Honor, we will also pray that in that period, there be reasonable access to the accused, to the respondent, for her counsel. Your Honor, since incarceration on Saturday, it has sometimes been very difficult to access her. And when access has been given to counsel, Your Honor, it has been made available in a public place, which makes it very difficult for the confidential conversation that is necessary as between a client and an advocate to be conducted. Your Honor, we would also pray that over that period, there be no more recording of statements or attempts to extract content from the respondent in the absence of our counsel. And I say this, Your Honor, because my client has complained that she was under a lot of pressure to admit that she knows one Monica Kimani, when she had emphatically said she doesn't know her. And we are, as counsel, I'm worried that the pressure and the incarceration could in part be because she refused to acknowledge knowing her, being the truth of the situation, that she actually doesn't know her. And lastly, Your Honor,